Okay, so nowadays companies like Apple, Google and Samsung are packing in 3 cameras, 4 cameras into their smartphone. But for some of us people, we still use a smartphone with a single camera. So today I'm going to show you a kit from Skyvik. This is the 2-in-1 lens kit from them. And I'm going to show you how you can turn smartphone camera into a wide and a macro lens. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's open the box right now. So it is pretty easy to open up. It has no thing right here. So first of all, this is the case that the lens is in. So let's keep it aside right now and let's see what inside. So this is a little like button thing. It is the customer service number. We will not be reading that. Then this is the Instagram, and don't go to their Instagram, go to our Instagram, it is in the description. Then here is the product list that they sell on their site, so we should keep it, just in case we need something else. And then at last, this is the little thank you card, so thank you for thank youing us. Then this is the instruction manual, which is no use these days. So let's throw this box and let's go to the main attraction. Okay, so you got a nice little zip case, so let's open it. And the zip is pretty smooth on the touch. So first of all, this is the cleaning cloth, the microfiber cloth that you will use to clean the lens. And this is the only cleaning cloth that I received that is very effective for lens cameras. And this is the little hook right here that you can use it to connect it to your belt strap on your jeans or pant, whatever you wear. And then this is the clip that is going to clip on to the smartphone and mount the lens. Then this is the main lens right here, and as you can see, this is a pretty big and heavy lens. Well, you can see it is heavy, but you can't see it is heavy, so I will do a little bit of action. Oh, it's so heavy, it's so heavy. Okay, so let's open the cap, and wow, look at this. It has some coating going on the lens, so that's why it is reflecting some different colors of images. So let's open the bottom cap as well, and it has some nice color accent to it. It is full metal body and it is just metal and lenses, so the color is also nice. You get the nice red ring around here, and also some type of lens hood type thing, which is I think of no use because it is a wide angle. So in wide angle you will need to cover as much area as possible. So right now this is a combination of two lenses. So let me unscrew the bottom lens right here. So this alone is the macro lens. So it is a 15x macro lens, and if you combine these both lenses together, it will form a 45x wide angle lens. As you can see, it is written right over here on the lens. So 45x and 15x macro, and this is the Skyvik, to show your friends that is a Skyvik brand, which is not very good I think for us. So now let's take some test photos on the camera. So all you need to do is, for wide angle shots, you will need to keep them both intact and pretty screwed in very tightly, because if you drop them, well, they will break. Then this is the clip right here, and just screw them in place. It is very easy to use, I think, for most of us. Then take a smartphone. I have the OnePlus 6T right here. So now it's mounted, and as you can see, it is looking very nice, and you will really get some attention for yourself by using the lens, because not very often you see a smartphone with this type of lens. So let's go out and shoot some test shots. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it, and please go to our Instagram and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.